Thank you, Presiding Officer. Cofio Val, remembering Val. Val Feld was the AM for Swansea East, and it's fitting that we remember her here on International Women's Day. Val was passionately committed to equal opportunities and social justice. She was one of the key architects of devolution, one of the leaders of the Yes for Wales campaign. The embedding of equal opportunities in the Assembly is largely due to the work of Val. We worked together when I was an MP in Westminster, pursuing the Secretary of State at the time to ensure that the principle of equality of opportunity for all people was included in the first Government of Wales Act in 1998 and was to become the bedrock of this Assembly. She was relentless. She saw devolution as an opportunity to make Wales a more equal and more socially just society. Val had a remarkable record of public and voluntary service. She was a founder of Shelter Cymru, recognising the plight of the homeless and the importance of housing. She was a director of the Equal Opportunities Commission for Wales from 1989 to 1999. She was also a mother and a partner. Some of you knew her during her short period as an Assembly member. When she spoke, everyone listened. She spoke authoritatively. She had a wealth of experience and principle to bring. The sky was the limit for Val, and her potential was tragically cut short, what turned out to be a fatal illness. I remember visiting her in Swansea with Jane Hutt shortly before she died. We miss her very much. Rydym yn colli yn fawr iawn.